This is Shelly. It is Saturday, June 2nd, 2012. Having a tough time getting this one, but this one is in the eastern sky. It's very, very small and hard to get. So I'm going to go ahead and film it at this small size for just a second. Try to zoom in a little. And this is only probably the second time I've gotten one from the eastern sky. Got one last night. It was really blue. I'm going to zoom in. This is about 60% zoomed in. This is handheld, so it's not perfectly still, that's for sure. But the ship is moving. Try to zoom in just a little larger. I'm seeing a little bit of the blue color now. Move my hand for a second. I think there's a bug on me. See if I can get it back without losing it. Get these mosquitoes. Yeah, there it is. There's mosquitoes out here, and I put on bug spray. It's hard to be still when you've got so many mosquito bites. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Zoom in a little more. I'm going to try to zoom in just a little bit more. This is probably 90% right now. I'm seeing the blue now. Very beautiful. Must be the same one I got last night, the blue one in the eastern sky. I've gotten a blue one in the northern sky, and I used to always get a blue one in the southwestern sky, but it's been gone a couple of weeks now. Try to go one little bit larger, and then I'm going to go ahead and end this video. That's the really blue color right there. And then it starts to cloak and I end up losing it. That happens every time I get to the large size. It's cloaking right now. There we go, it's visible again. Zooming in just a little larger. Very beautiful. Cloaking again. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you for being here, Galactics. Much love. Good night.